I make more money with this set than on hail than anything else. Dude, all the time people are like, hey, what should I buy?
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay, if you're doing hail, these tools right here are dollar for dollar, the best bang for your buck. And those right there.
So you bought these back when
they first came out.
Yeah, when they first came out.
I had to buy them all separate.
And then we paired them up. And
then you made a set.
Made a hail set.
Yep. But I mean, these 9 tools, if you're doing hail, will make you more money than anything else.
Yeah.
There's nothing comparable.
Right.
John with A1 Tool. What Chris was talking about are the Aluminum Killer series of tools from Xcalibur. We have actually made a set of the very tools that he was using. We have the 5/16 inch diameter tools that are 24 inches in length, 1/4 inch by 18, 7/32 at 10 inches, 3/16 at 6 inches. Also in that set are the All Power. They're newer, those are 7/32 and 14 inches in length. Chris was also using a 3/16 S2A-Q.
I mean, I make more money with this set than on hail than anything else. Hood, deck, roof, doesn't matter. That's the money right there. Because it gets on everything.
This set is the Rick Hummert Signature Set, $895. You can find it at pdrtool.com.